Good afternoon, guys. Next topic, components of hydraulic systems. So these components of the hydraulic systems are the power transmitting symbols, employing the pressure in the liquid as a fluid of the transmitting energy from an energy generating the source to the energy using point as a occupies the useful of the work. So see that this is the block diagram of the hydraulic components. So these hydraulic components, first one oil tank. So these oil tanks we have to interacting between direct control value. So these direct control value we have to indicating some uh, angles or some values. Okay, so for example 0 1 2 3 up to directions. So when we are to low the tank, automatically we are indicating to lower case. Automatic engine oil is a fill tank. After that direction control is automatically full. So whenever to increase the directional values. Okay, these oil tank we have to first one filter. Filter means we have to checking the oil measurements. After that, after the filter we have to go to the pump. This pump we have to indicating some motors. So when we are to rotating the motor, oil will be automatically some pressure regulators. So this pressure regulator we have to indicate again uh, direction controlling. One is off condition, second is a forward, third one is a backward. Okay, so after that we have to indicate some actuator. These actuators we have interfacing some load means bulb. Okay, that means AC bulb. So this AC bulb, AC load we have to indicating some output devices. So this function of the components, functions of the hydraulic components. This hydraulic calculator is a device used to convert the field power into mechanical power. Field power into mechanical power. To do useful the work, the actuator may be of the linear type or rotary type. So this hydraulic rotary type, that means hydraulic motors, it provide the linear or rotary motions are respectively. This hydraulic pump is used to force of the fuel from the reservoir to reset of the hydraulic circuit by converting to mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. So same time we have to converting to hydraulic sector to mechanical sector and mechanical sector to hydraulic sector. Both are the conversions. Okay. Next, these values are used to control the directions and pressure flow or rate of the fluid following through the circuit. Okay, external power supply of the motors. So external power supply means motor power supply. It's required to the drive on the pump, driver the pump. So this motor means motor circuit. You have to rotating on the motor. We are using some driver circuits. Okay, driver circuit. This driver circuit we have to indicating some pumping or filters. Okay, next, receiver reservoir to use it to hold the hydraulic liquid, usually hydraulic oil. Okay, so when we are to rotating on the hydraulic motor, so pumping system is carry to the hydraulic oil from the one place to another place. We have to moving some oil purpose. Okay, so these filters are used to remove any virgin particular, so as they keep the fluid system clean and the efficient, as well as avoid the damage to actuator and the values. Okay, so these pressure regulators regulate the required level of the pressure in the hydraulic fuel. Okay, this piping, the closed loop type, is fuel of the transformed from the storage tank one side to up piston to return to back of the other side of the piston of the tank. Okay, fuel down in the tank by a pump that produce the fuel flow at the required level of the process. In the fuel pressure exceeds the required level, then is excess fuel returns back to the receiver to remains there until the pressure accurates the required of the level. Cylindrical movement controlled by the three positions change our control values. When the function of the value is changed to upper position, the pipe pressures line they connected to a part A, and those the load is raised. Okay, load is raised. When the position of the value changes in the lower position, the pipe pressure line is connected to pot B, that is the load level is lowered. Okay, the when the when the value is at the center position, it locates the field not to cylindrical, that means dead ends are fuel lines, that means constant values. So next one, these components of the shown the figure symbols: pumping, filter, breather, reservoir, pressure regulators, motors, directional control values, cylinder values, extended and reset. Okay, so this is the hydraulic pumping motors. Next, basic components of pneumatic systems. So these pneumatic systems carry out the power employing the compression of the gas, generally air, as a fluid of the transmitting energy from an energy generating to source to an energy using point on accomplish useful of the work. Okay, so that this air, that means liquid process we are to use totally pneumatic systems. So the pneumatic systems, air from the atmosphere, next air filter, next go for compressors. After compressors we are going some motors, that means motor power supply. After that air coolers, that means storage receiver open when the set of the pressure is reached. Okay, next going to the direction control value. The direction control value same, these off circuit automatically same, but this is the different, that means we have to added some air pressure, that means gas pressures. So these function of the components, the pneumatic actuator convert the fuel power into mechanical power, perform the useful of the work. Okay, these compressor they use it to compress the fresh air in the drawn from the atmosphere. చూడండి, పెనోమియాన్కి పెనోమాటిక్కి హైడ్రాలిక్కి ఒకటే. సో హైడ్రాలిక్ వచ్చేసి టోటల్లీ ఆయిల్ మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. పెనోమాటిక్ వచ్చేసరికి ఓన్లీ ఎయిర్ మీద డిపెండ్ ఉంటుంది. ఎయిర్ మీన్స్ గ్యాస్ లాంటిది, వాటి మీద ఉపయోగ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది, గ్యాస్ బేస్ చేసుకొని. దీస్ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ యూజ్డ్ టు కంట్రోల్ డైరెక్షన్స్, ఫ్లో రేట్ అండ్ ప్రెజర్ ఆఫ్ ది కంప్రెస్డ్ ఎయిర్. ఓకే, external power supply, the motor used to drive in the compressors. This piping system carries the pressured air from one location to another location. Air is down from the atmosphere through air filters and raised the required pressure by an air compressors. As the pressures rise, the temperature also rise. Hence, and the air cooler is provided to cool at the air with the some preliminary trimmed to remove the moisture. Okay, the tread pressure of the air needs to get the store the maintain the pressure when the storage receiver. So see the difference between micro uh, comparisons between hydraulic and pneumatic systems. It is employs the pressured liquid as a fluid. It employs pressured gas, usually air, as a fluid. Okay, we are using some oil, liquid we will use it from air. Okay, an oil hydraulic systems operates at pressure up to 700 bar, and pneumatic systems usually operates at 5 to 10 bar. 5 to 10 bars. The systems slow down when the leakage occurs. Okay, next, leakage does not to affect the system much. Generally designed as a closed system. This is the closed system, that means box లో పెట్టడం. యూజువల్లీ డిజైన్ అట్ ఓపెన్ సిస్టమ్, అది ఓపెన్ సిస్టంలో అంటే మనకి ఓపెన్ అండ్ క్లోజ్ ఉండేటట్టుగా. ఓకే, ది వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ద ఆపరేషన్స్ ఆర్ డిఫికల్ట్. ఓకే, వాల్యూ ఆపరేషన్స్ ఆర్ difficult, value operations are easy. However the weight however heavy weight in lighter weight. Okay, pumps are used to provide pressured liquid. Compressors are used to provide compressed gas. The system is unsafe to fire hazards. The system is free from the fire hazards. Next, last point, automatic lubrications is provided and special arrangement to be lubrications are needed. These are main components of hydraulic and pneumatics. So these hydraulic and pneumatics circuit diagrams or images same. That means we are using some liquid levels and oil levels totally depending upon one closed loop and open loop. Okay, see that is compared to two circuit diagrams, hydraulic and pneumatic systems. Next class we have to continue for the symbols of the hydraulic and pneumatic systems. These symbols we have to explain in next class.